For over a century, the financial market has been the heartbeat of Hong Kong. HKEX transformed a local exchange into a platform built for global ambition, with listing innovations and added connectivity. Now, as HKEX celebrates its 25th anniversary, one sound has come to define our journey: the sound of progress. For years, market openings and IPOs were celebrated with a balcony toast or trading floor cheer. But HKEX sought something greater, a moment that would echo beyond the exchange. And so, the gong took center stage. A symbol rooted in Chinese history and culture, it signals new beginnings and good fortune. With every strike, it sends a powerful message: today is a good day. There is more than one gong at HKEX, each one made by traditional craftsmen, and impressive in sound, scale and meaning. It's more than a ceremony. It's a moment of pride and possibility. Because when the gong is struck, its impact is felt through the hall, across the market, and around the world. The gong has become an icon of progress. Every strike signals another step forward. From record-breaking IPOs to groundbreaking innovations, it marks every moment of ambition and achievement. From its home in HKEX Connect Hall, the gong echoes far beyond its walls. And now, for the first time ever, the gong will travel across Hong Kong and reverberate across the city it serves. The gong is more than a sound. It's the heartbeat of our city, a mark of our journey, past, present and future. It is the sound of progress.